The Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 and the Dunlop All Season 2, two of the latest all-season contenders, both carrying the 3-peak mountain snowflake certification for winter use. But which one truly delivers the best performance across all conditions? Let's break it down. Throughout this comparison, you will see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Turanza All Season 6 stops 6.8 meters shorter than the All Season 2, a huge safety advantage in emergency stop. It also handles corners better in wet, carrying a 1.9 km per hour more speed, while resisting aquaplaning at a slipping speed of 3.6 km higher. Bridgestone dominates in wet conditions, but when the temperature drops, the Dunlop All Season 2 fights back. It stops 1.9 meters shorter in snow, provides 151 Newton more traction, and even carries 0.6 km per hour more speed through corners. If winter grip is your priority, Dunlop takes the A. And when it comes to mileage, the Dunlop All Season 2 wins convincingly, lasting 12,610 km longer than the Turanza. It also wears down 74 grams less over time, proving it to be a more durable choice. But dry performance is Bridgestone's playground. The Turanza All Season 6 stops 4.8 meters shorter and carries 2.1 km per hour more speed in handling, giving you sharper control and better stability on dry roads. Noise? No difference here. At 73 dB for both, they are equally quiet for everyday driving. The Dunlop All Season 2 has 13% lower rolling resistance, meaning better fuel efficiency, in theory. But oddly, both tires return nearly identical fuel consumption figures, making this advantage less impactful in real-world driving. Finally, price. The Dunlop All Season 2 is 8% more cheaper, making it a much more affordable in the 225/50 R17 size. So what's the verdict? If winter grip, longevity, and rolling resistance are key, the Dunlop All Season 2 is a smarter choice. But if you prioritize wet and dry braking and overall driving safety, then the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 is the clear winner.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.